The Honor MagicBook View 14 Business Laptop reviewed. Honor's latest flagship laptop will appeal to business users looking for something different. But we do not understand why Honor only went beyond China to 3 countries, Russia, France and Belarus. It costs around €1,100, about £920, $1,240, or $1,730 in France. You can purchase Honor's latest flagship product on Banggood for $1,180, approximately £870, $1,650, if you are adventurous enough. With its screen size, it's surprisingly portable. It measures 227 by 310 mm. With a thickness of 14.5 mm, it excludes 1 rubber bar and 2 rubber feet that lift the base of the laptop. This device is heavier than expected due to aluminum rather than magnesium for the chassis and glass for the touchscreen overlay. Thunderbolt 4 and 3.5 mm audio connectors are on the left. An HDMI port and USB Type-A connector are on the other side. For balance, we'd like to see at least 1 Thunderbolt 4 connected to the right. A Core i7-11390H CPU powered our Russian-sourced laptop. There is also a model with an Intel Core i5-11320H processor. China has a model with a dedicated GPU from NVIDIA, the MX450, which does not exist anywhere else. This is a 10 nanometers product with 4 cores, 8 threads, 12 megabytes cache, and relatively high clock speed, 35 watts. A high-performance mode brings the laptop's TDP to 45 watts, while the fans were faster. In comparison to notebooks with tiny webcams that can ruin Zoom and Microsoft Teams video conferencing sessions, the MagicBook View 14 offers a 5-megapixel camera. 2 cameras give it a wide-angle view of 90 degrees. By pressing a dedicated button, you can turn off the camera. In addition, there are 16 GB DDR4 memory, 2 channels, for better performance, a 512 GB PCI SSD, Toshiba KXG60Z NB512G, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, with an Intel AX201 chipset, and a 65 watts power supply unit. A simple click will take you to Windows 11 Pro on the MagicBook View 14. The only bloatware is what Windows 11 brings, but you do get PC Manager, Honor's all-encompassing system optimization program. Honor engineers have coated the glossy display with an oleophobic layer that works to mitigate the greasy fingerprint issue. I wish more laptop vendors would adopt 3:2 aspect ratio displays. View 14's 400 nit display had good colors under different circumstances. It was audible without being unbearable under load. With a very capable processor and an equally capable SSD, this GPU is a beast. For casual gaming, it could outpace entry-level NVIDIA GPUs like the MX350 or the MX450. One disappointment was the battery life. Again, things are relative, and while it is not bad, it is still less than what the MagicBook Pro, Intel and AMD versions, scored last year with smaller batteries, 56 WHR. Its fingerprint reader can replace the password or PIN. Delete button doubles as insert key, could be a hazard for fast touch typists. We can deal with some of its minor quirks, like the tiny up/down buttons, but others, like the dedicated print screen button, might be too much. We do miss the slightly concave surface of the Dell Latitude laptop keys a little.